Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code deal. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive coupon code link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now at Hostinger. And if you directly want to move on to the plans, you can simply select the start now and be directly loaded over the plans with all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee. Now I'm going to scroll above and tell you why this coupon code discount is a great deal to buy from Hostinger. So if you scroll below, Hostinger's reviews, look around at 60,000 reviews. Let me tell you that Hostinger is one of the world's most fastest growing hosting company, and I have been using it from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good. Now look around on the actual reviews on what people say regarding Hostinger. 5-star for Amelia at Hostinger, its UI UX is great. 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. 4-star, 5-star, 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 5-star. So very good rating regarding Hostinger. This is another very good reason to buy your hosting from Hostinger with this special discount coupon code link. Scroll below, you can see Hostinger authenticity because it's been mentioned on almost every famous website, including CNET, Forbes, PC, TechRadar, Wirecutter. So scroll below, you can create your website within minutes through the custom website builder. Just have to give the command and it's automatically going to create your website, which is just a very good feature regarding Hostinger. You can also create WordPress website without complexity, and if you are going to avail this coupon code discount and coming from another hosting company, Hostinger also supports you migrate to Hostinger. Be it a single website or 100 website, Hostinger dedicated team is going to manage all this for you without any additional cost. If you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to tell you. Hostinger Horizons is AI and you just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create a website for you. Scroll below, 4 million plus people using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it from the last 5 years on my main blog. Look around with the plans. Now move to the plans. All of the plans cover 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, 24/7 support, and you can get as much as up to 95% discount if you use the coupon code on this plan. And if you use the coupon code on this plan, you're going to get 94%, and with this up to 85% if you click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I tell you. But before you select any plan, my recommendation, do a thorough research of all the plan features, functions before you buy any one. And once you select on which plan you're going to get your coupon code discount, simply select the choose plan as per your preference. Now it's 84%, you're going to get as much up to 94% with the coupon code discount. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code as I'm going to tell you. Now once we landed over here, we have to select billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you ask me, I recommend you to offer the 48 months because to save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. These are exclusively for my audience, which I got from Hostinger especially for you guys. So take the advantage of this coupon code offer by opting for the 48 months. You're also getting free domain plus 2 extra months free as well. So you can select your free domain right now over here or later on through your hPanel as well. So I'm going to select over here to show you how it works. And this is valid only for the first year for free. So you can see that I have loaded. I'm going to make it 1 year with this special coupon code discount. You can see that I do not have to pay anything now. I can see my order summary over here. 48 months from 9/1 to 143, 84%. I'm going to make it 94 to 95%. See, daily backup, $100 free item in addition to your 84%. So more than 95%. 2 extra months free domain. And now select the have a coupon code and get a further 10% discount on already running discount deal with this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Once I apply this coupon code, you're going to see that my price got a further discount on already running discount deal. So additional 10%, making it around 95%, even more than this. There is another coupon code as well. So you can find both of the coupon code in the description of this video. So I'm going to use this coupon code over here. Once I apply this coupon code, you're going to see that with this coupon code, my price got a further discount. My 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Now I'm going to move on to the continue to finally enjoy this amazing coupon code offer with Hostinger. So the last part is over here and I have to write my billing details over here. Won't take more than a minute. After this, move on to the continue over here. And before I'm gonna select any payment method to avail this coupon code discount, I'm gonna see my order summary over here. My coupon is loaded, everything is over here. Now coming on to the payment method, hosting gonna offer you variety payment method. You can pay by credit card, you can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety payment methods to enjoy this amazing coupon code discount with Hostinger. So let's say we're going with a credit card, simply select the submit payment after writing credit card details, and within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details. So yeah, just for the revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy this amazing coupon code deal from Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger with this coupon code discount. Good luck.